Hello, my dear friends. 大家好，我叫 Ferry. I come from China. 我来自中国。I am a good friend of Shahid. 我是 Shahid 的好朋友。那 Shahid invited me to introduce some of Chinese to all of you. 邀请我给大家介绍一下关于中国的一些事情。So today I'm going to share some great books to all of you. 会介绍一些中国的一些书籍，或者是我自己看的一些书籍给大家。So let's go. You can see there are some books in my bookshelf. 这里有一些书 ，and most of them are Chinese great book. 都是中国的一些传统书籍。You can see this one, 道德经》，read by 老子 ，yeah. And this one is 鬼谷子和菜根谭。This one is 红楼梦，yeah. This one is 三国演义，and 水浒全传，yeah. This one also 水浒全传。And wow, I like it very much. 孙子兵法 I like it very much. And 四书和诗经 Yes, there are so many beautiful poems in it. And 易经 Yes, and 楚辞 Yes, and this is some traditional Chinese great book. Yes. Do you know 4 great books of China? 中国4大名著，你们知道是哪4本吗？我这里已经有3本了。Yes. The 4 great books of China is 红楼梦、三国演义、水浒传 and 西游记 Yes, do you know 西游记 The Monkey King Yes, and I don't have this book. Okay, now I also share you some foreign books. Yes, and you can see this 白夜行 and 解忧杂货店 Yes, also read by 东野圭吾 Yes, it's the novel written by 东野圭吾 Yes, and come from Japan. Yeah. And this one 追风筝的人 The Kite Runner Yes, come from America. And this one is Pride and Prejudice. Yeah. 傲慢与偏见 from England. Yeah, England. And this book 平凡的世界 written by Chinese famous writer 路遥 Wow, this book is very interesting and moved. I really recommend you to read it. And you can see this red book is 习近平的7年知青岁月 Do you know who is he? 他就是我们的习大大习近平 I like this book very much. Yes, and I read it most of the time. You can see our president, Xi Jinping. Okay, my dear friends, that's all for today. 今天就给大家介绍到这里啦。你喜欢看什么书呢？ Can you share with me? What's your favorite books? 你喜欢看什么书呢？你可以给我分享一下吗？ Can you share with me? 我最喜欢看《红楼梦》。My favorite book is《红楼梦》。